Right now, there is talk of a possible cure for peanut allergies. Researchers are in the final phase of testing a new drug, and we have Dr. Chitra Danakar here with the Allergy and Asthma Network. Thanks so much for being here. So, my goodness, tell us about the seriousness of peanut allergies. This is actually potentially fatal for so many people.
Oh yeah, it can be very serious. So about 1 in 50 children in the U.S. have peanut allergy. 1 in 12 actually have food allergies, and a child with peanut allergy can have more than that also. But it causes serious reactions to mild reactions, and the serious reactions can cause death. About 150 to 300 deaths per year are reported due to peanut allergy.
So this is a very fearful, concerning situation. When you have a child with peanut allergies, you're always worried about them.
Oh, it's devastating for the families. I mean, can you imagine worrying about every bite that your child eats? Because trace amounts can set children off, and sometimes even micrograms to milligram dosing.
So it's pretty exciting then that we're hearing about a possible cure.
Yeah,
Tell us about this.
Yeah, we're thrilled. So, because we did not have any cure for peanut allergy, all we told patients was to avoid it and avoid it in all forms. Even M&Ms, for instance, you couldn't eat. You couldn't eat anything with even trace peanut or made in a factory. It was very scary. But now there are actually a couple of trials coming out which are on the FDA fast track for approval because it's life-saving.
Yeah.
One is a peanut patch made by this company in France called DBV Technology, which is just a patch, so it's put on the skin and doesn't go into the bloodstream. And preliminary studies have shown success in patients being able to tolerate a higher dose. It doesn't mean they go around and guzzle peanuts, but it means that at least parents can feel more relaxed and patients can feel more relaxed that everything they touch or eat will not be potentially anaphylactic and causing fatal outcomes.
So are you skeptical, or do you think we could see something here in the near future?
No, these studies are showing promise, and that's why it's out there. There are two types of trials. One is the epicutaneous, where you put the EPIT patch. Which seems a little safer, but the dose you can go up to is less. And then the oral forms, where you actually take peanut flour mixed with food or under the tongue drops. There you're absorbing it, so people are a little bit more nervous, but you can go to higher thresholds, and maybe instead of tolerating 1 peanut, you could go up to 4 peanuts or something like that. So are people able to join these trials, or? Absolutely. In fact, they are projecting 35 sites in the U.S. and Europe. And Children's Mercy recently became a FAIR Clinical Center of Excellence, part of the network. They announced 22 sites. This is the Food Allergy Research Education Group. And we hope to be part of that group and offer these trials. We're actually very excited. I know one of those drop tablets we have already contacted them, and they have contacted us, and we're in negotiations.
All right, well, this is
exciting. And we have reached out to these via Skin Group and hope to do that.
I know a lot of parents definitely, want that relief of having an option to help save their kids. Dr. Danakar, thank you so much for being here and for all that information. We hope this, is the cure for peanut allergies.
Yes, we are very excited.
Thank you.
Thank you.